With tariffs on the mind of everybody lately, our next guest believes the potential threat could even delay the Fed from cutting rates, even with the hard data showing the economy resilient. Joining us now is Michael, is it Binger? Michael, welcome, president at, what'd you say?
It is Binger, yes.
Great. Binger, welcome. It's great to have you from Gradient Investments. And I think this is a moment we all just need to figure out, okay, do we follow and try to figure out the day-to-day news flow? Do we sit back and just kind of trust the market will make it through in the long run? Maybe you can't afford to do that in your business.
Yeah, look, I think the market's kind of range bound for the time being. I mean, your previous guests were talking about the economy being still pretty solid and all the data coming in, and I would agree with that. And I think the Fed confirmed that last week that the economy is good. So when you look at the fundamentals as they stand right now, I mean, the economy is good. Inflation's under control. Corporate earnings growth is way above averages. So in my opinion, things are good, and we just kind of got to ride out this period of volatility. I mean, it seems like uncertainty is the word of the day now. And, they're still right, because the tariffs, they don't even go into effect until next Wednesday, and a lot could change between now and then.
Yep. And then there's maybe the May round of tariffs and so on and so forth. You have a couple of stock picks, one value, one growth. You like NVIDIA, you like Target. NVIDIA immediately takes my mind to this CoreWeave IPO, which, well, I mean, what is that? Look at Jefferies down 10% today. This was supposed to be the year of deal making, and all the investment bank stocks ran up big time last year. And it does now feel like we're in a little bit of a holding pattern.
It is, but I don't think we're in one in NVIDIA. I mean, when you think about it, NVIDIA is still the leader in the AI chip space. And I think the AI chip space and the AI space in general is still very much in its infancy. So if you have an industry in its infancy that's not really affected by tariffs, that is going to continue to grow. And by the way, I think NVIDIA laid out, a great roadmap of growth at their GTC conference last week. So there's a lot of industry growth. NVIDIA is a clear leader. Their Blackwell chip is much more robust and efficient than anything the competitors have, including DeepSeek. So I think this is an opportunity. And you know what? In NVIDIA, the argument has always been it's too expensive. Well, it's not anymore. If you look out to 2026 earnings there, it's 20 times. So it's cheap now, too. You can get an industry leader in an industry that's going to grow for years at a cheap price.